guys, I am giving Robux to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This tutorial today is going to be showing you how to get the best Hunty zombie codes for 2025. These Hunty zombie Roblox codes are awesome. You can get 1 million free coins, you can get lucky spins and more, guys. You can even get trait rerolls. Absolutely awesome. I spent a long time searching Google and YouTube, trying tons of different codes, and I thought I'd create this video, hopefully save you guys a bunch of time and a bunch of effort searching, because these are by far the best Roblox Hunty zombie codes. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. What you're going to want to do is just use your mobile phone. I'm using an iPhone here. As you can see, I've got Safari browser as well, but you can do this on any mobile device as long as you have an internet connection, of course. And I'm just going to head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So very important you type it correctly. You can pause the video and copy this down. But Cold Coupons, if you haven't seen these before, this is an awesome codes website. I've used them previously for other Roblox games, but I noticed they added a Hunty zombie Roblox codes page on here. So as long as you can spell, it should pop up here. Now, as I mentioned, there's a few different Hunty zombies codes available, and these are really popular with over 100 people using it today alone. Over 17,000 really highly rated ratings. So you can get a Hunty zombie code for 1 million free coins. You can get 100 lucky spins. So this is like lucky weapon spins and other things. And this is a 1,000 trait rerolls. So really awesome, guys. If you know the resources in Hunty zombies, you know these are all pretty desirable. I'm going to go ahead and choose the coins one. So this is a Hunty zombies code, get 1 million coins for free. Really simple, guys. This literally takes a few minutes as well. I'm just sort of speeding through this, but if you take your time, it is pretty easy and self-explanatory. So because these are limited codes, you can see there's 176 remaining coins codes. You do need to unlock your personal code here, guys. Now, I've already done this, and it does limit 1 code per person. But what you're going to want to do, guys, is just click on this button here, follow the instructions. You need to complete 2 of the tasks you see on this screen. Do just make sure you follow the small text. And if you do everything correctly, guys, it will just redirect you back. So once you complete 2 tasks, it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons on this page. Your code will be fully unlocked. Obviously, I've skipped forward, but yeah, your code will be revealed. You can enter it in Hunty Zombies, and these are the best codes, and that is going to get you free coins in that event, but you can also get lucky spins and trait rerolls. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. Head on over to Cold Coupons, navigate your way to the Hunty Zombies Roblox codes page, and these are by far the best currently working codes in 2025. Hit the like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.